friends, let's have some fun. Join us now, we're just getting started.
We're going to need some yarn, so I've just picked up some thick yarn and I've gotten a 5mm hook so you can see what I'm doing. So once you get your yarn, I'll meet back up with you to show you what to do.
In a world of treasures, big and small, trinkets.
Okay, so we're just going to do a quick slip stitch and then I'm going to chain up 2. So 1 and 2. So into this stitch here, so this is the first stitch, into this second stitch here, we're going to go through this chain. So into this stitch, yarn over, and we'll pull up that loop. That gives us 2 loops on the hook. Then we yarn over and we pull through both of those loops. That creates our first foundation, like single foundation. So now going into this bottom stitch, whoopsie. There we go. Now, when we do this, we want to go into this bottom stitch here. So you don't want to go through it or through this stitch. You want to go through the bottom part of the stitch. Okay, so in through this bottom half of the stitch, we go through that stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. So again, going through that bottom stitch, yarn over, pull up, yarn over, and we pull through 2. Do that again, going down through, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the 2. Okay, so we'll do that 2 more times, going through that loop, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, and then we pull through those 2. So I'll bring it up nice and close this time. So going in to that loop, yarn over, pull the loop up, yarn over, pull through 2. So I'll show that one more time. So into this bottom loop here, okay? So going through, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2. And that is how you do a single foundation chain. So now when you work it, you can go either way, but usually this is now the bottom and this is where your chain stitch would have been. So you use this in place of your chain stitch when you're starting up a work, and it just makes it a little bit more bouncy. I find that it has more stretch than when you do a chain stitch. But yeah, that's pretty much all you do. But as always, thank you for stopping in, and I'll catch you next time. Bye bye.
Trinkets, trinkets ready to explore. Yeah.